Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and happy Tuesday. Today's video is going to be a clean with me, so get ready for some cleaning motivation. Today I'm starting out cleaning in the living room, and the first thing I'm going to do is clean the blinds with this little Swiffer duster, and I'll be dusting on both sides of the blinds. Then I'll be opening up the blinds to clean the bottom parts of the windows. I just did this last week, so I won't be cleaning the tops of the windows because honestly I just don't think it needs to be done again today, so I'm just going to be wiping off the bottom part of the window. After doing the windows, I'm going to give the couch a quick vacuum with my handheld vacuum from VacLife. I also did this last week as well. I vacuumed the whole couch and wiped it all down. I won't be wiping it down today, just vacuuming because of course there is cat hair all over the couch. That's what happens when you have 3 long-haired ragdolls that shed like crazy. There is no end to the cat hair. It is literally everywhere. Alright, now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and dust off my canvas and Angelina Jolie. And then I'm going to clean off the TV and the TV table, and then I'll be vacuuming the floor after.
Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
So now I'm going to dust the blinds on the back door as well. I wish these lifted up completely so I could wipe off the windows, but they don't open up all the way, so I'm not able to. I mean, I guess I could somehow like stick my hand back in there behind the blinds and clean the windows, but that would probably be pretty annoying, so I'm just not even going to go there. And now I'm vacuuming behind the couch. There's lots of cat hair and litter back here because this is where we keep the cat's litter box, so it's always a little extra messy behind the couch.
Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. Let me be. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you make me feel. I wanna be with you.
So now I'm wiping off the bookshelf. Now usually I move everything from each shelf piece by piece so I can wipe it off good, but honestly that is too much for me today, so I'm just gonna move things and wipe as I go. It's much easier to do it this way, and honestly it's all the same really. Now I'm wiping off Grandpa's table and turning on my wax warmer so I can get my small goods going in here, and then I'm gonna vacuum the floor.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too.
Y'all are never gonna believe what happens in just a few. I am still in shock. I got out my steam mop to steam mop the floor, and the steam mop literally broke. I thought for a second maybe it just snapped, so I could snap it back together, but no, it cracked completely at the base, so it's literally broke. I still can't believe it, and unfortunately, my infused mop also broke, so now I am mopless. So today, I had no other choice but to get down on my hands and knees with a bucket and a rag, which y'all know I don't like to do because of the accident that I was in, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, right? If any of y'all have any recommendations on a new mop, drop your recommendations down below because I'd love to hear all about your favorite because I am going to be looking for a new one soon.
Have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that. Have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too.
So now I'm moving on to the kitchen. I'm just going to wipe off the countertops and clean out the sink and also load the dishwasher.
If not, says who? You can make it. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it.
Am I the only one who does a quick load in the dishwasher and then when I'm ready to load it completely, I have to rearrange everything? Like, am I the only one that does that? I'll just put stuff in there quick and messy to try to get it over with and get the dishes out of the sink, and then I'll have to redo it all so everything else can fit in. I don't know why I do it, but I do it. Now that I'm done cleaning in the kitchen, I'm moving on to my bathroom. I'm just gonna wipe off my countertops and my sink quick and then sweep the floor, and I'm gonna mop in there as well. And I decided for the bathroom just to use my little mop slippers that I had on, because why not? Isn't that what they're for? That was so much easier and faster to do, and it was a good little leg workout. I highly recommend it. So then after all of that cleaning, I was starving, so I made myself a protein smoothie. I used lactose-free milk, some water, some frozen fruit, some leftover yogurt that I had, a half of a banana, and some protein powder. We were using a different protein powder that we got from the store, and it was good and all, but it was a little pricey. So I got on Amazon and I found this one. It tastes great, it mixes well, and it was a good price. I'll have that link down below if you want to check it out. Cheers! It turned out delicious. Well anyways, this is the end of the video and I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time.